Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1758 named minimum changes to make alternating binary string. Here we are given a string S consisting of only characters 0 and 1, and in one operation I can change any 0 to 1 or I can change any 1 to 0. Now the string is called alternating if no two adjacent characters are equal. For example, the string 010 is alternating while the string 0100 is not, because these two adjacent characters are similar, which is 0 and 0. Now we have to return the minimum number of operations needed to make the string as alternating. Suppose in the first example, the string is 010 and 0. Now if I make the last 01, then the string will become 0101. So here we have to make one operation, which is the minimum. So in this case, we have to return 1. Now, in the second example, the string is already alternating, which is 0 and 0, which is, 1 and 0. So here we have to return 0. Now, in the second example, or in the third example, we can see that the string is 1, 1, 1, and 1. So we can make the string 0101 or 1010. In both of the cases, we need two operations. So here we have to return 2. Now the constant are the string length can be in between 1 to 10 to the power 4, and each of the character is either 0 or 1. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now to solve this problem, we have taken the first example, which is 0, 1, 0, and 0. Now, this is a typical pattern matching problem. That means, at first we have to understand the pattern of the given string. Suppose we can make the string into these two types, which is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, dot, 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 or 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, dot, 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 dot. That means any kind of string can be in between this pattern if we want to make the string alternative. So here the string 0100 can become either 0101 or can become 1010. I hope you understood till now. Now we have to calculate the difference of characters between this and to this original string. Now the original string is 0100. Similarly, it is 0100. Now here we can see that the dissimilarity lies into these positions only for this pattern 0101, and the dissimilarity lies in these positions, and these positions only for this pattern 1010. So now if we want to make the string 0100 to become 0101, we have to make one change. That means we can change this 1 to 0, or we can make this 0 to 1. So here we are changing just one element. But if we want to make the string 0100 to 1010, that means we have to make 3 of the changes. Here we have to make the 0 to become 1, 1 to become 0, and the 0 to become 1. So here, in this case, we are changing one element, and in this case, we are changing 3 elements. So what is the minimum of both of them? The minimum of 1 and 3 will be 1, which is the respective answer. So the algorithm is pretty simple. At first, we are given input string. Now let's try to convert this string into 2 of the pattern. One is starting from 0 and another is starting from 1. Now we will check what is the number of different characters of these two patterns with this input string. And we have to calculate the number. Finally, we have to return the minimum of both of the number. That's it. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named mean operations, which has a parameter string s. Now, n is the size of the string, given string. Now here, we are making two of the alternative string. One is starting from 0 and another is starting from 1, which is using these operations. Now, we are calculating the difference of element in A and difference of element in B. So here, if the corresponding character in S is not equal to the pattern A, that means we have to increment the different A variable. Similarly, we have to increment the different B variable. After that, we have to return the minimum of different A and different B, which is the answer. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we have to iterate each of the element of the input string, and the space complexity is also big O of n because we are using extra two of the strings to compare the input string with the pattern. And in the worst case, the size of the pattern string can be equal to the size of the input string. So here, the space complexity is big O of n. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.